Okay, here we begin our lesson on converting that decimal number back to a binary number. So we're going to use that number 34 so we can see that it works, all right? So it's basically we're checking our answer. So we're going to take that number 34. That's going to be our dividend, all right? So we're going to divide it by the number 2. We will always use 2 as our divisor. So when we divide out 34 divided by 2, our quotient here is 17. All right, 2 times 7 there is 14, and I have a remainder of 0. What we're going to work towards is finally getting that quotient to 0. So I have to continue to move over and take now my quotient, make it my dividend. So 17 is now my dividend, and I'm going to divide by 2, which is my divisor. So 2 goes into 17 8 times. I'm going to have a remainder of 1. We're going to do something with these remainders here in a little bit, but not right now. I have to get my quotient to 0. So I'm taking the 8, making it my dividend, divide by 2. All right, I'm still not to a quotient of 0 yet, so I got to continue dividing out here. So 2 becomes my dividend, divide by 2, goes in 1 time. All right, and again, I'm still working on getting my quotient to 0. 1 divided by 2 doesn't happen. All right, and I have a remainder of 1. Look, my quotient, I finally got to 0, so I'm done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these remainders. All right, so I'm looking at these remainders right here, and I'm going to do something with them. Do you notice that there are combinations of 1s and 0s? All right, so now we're going to start with the very far right remainder, and I'm going to make it my first number of my binary number. And I move over to the left with each one of these. All right, so I take my 0 here, this 0 goes here, this one here, the 1 comes to here, and the 0 ends. And as you can see, I have 1 0 0 0 1 0 as my binary number of my decimal number 34. So I checked my answer, doing the math, and we went back and forth between the two, so I know that I did it correctly. So this ends your lesson on how to convert decimal number to a binary number. Thanks.